Hi everyone, today I have for you very short Halloween page and a really nice Halloween unboxing from Grabie. Hi everyone, it's Asia here, Lemon Creation, and as I mentioned, I'm having unboxing day today. In my video, I'm gonna be opening with you the box I got from Grabie. It's a box which costs $49, $49.99 exactly, and it's full of Halloween goodies. I'm not big on Halloween, you know that already probably, but I like to make one or two projects always for Halloween because I know a lot of you like this holiday and my children especially. So I was really happy to get this box, and I am really happy to show it to you because there are some few really nice surprises in it. So stay tuned and have a quick look at my unboxing. And as always, you're gonna get links to the Grabie shop in the description box below. And without further ado, let's go and see what's inside the box. So as you've seen, the box is really nicely packed with a nice Halloween tissue paper, which you can reuse because, you know, there is like 2 layers of it. And then you have these nice things which you can cut out and prepare your own decoration for Halloween. So there is 3 of them. And the puzzle, as always, because in every subscription box from Grabie you get a piece of a puzzle, and if you buy them all the time, like, you know, if you make a subscription, you can make at the end a puzzle and to win something. If I am not mistaken, there is a competition of sorts at the end when the puzzle is done. So you've seen there was also a small to-do calendar or agenda, I'm not sure. And now you can see the pet stickers, and they are, as you can see, very like with the autumn vibe and Halloween vibe, but not really that much Halloween because they are not scary. But as you can see, very nice autumn houses. I really like them, even though they have a touch of gold in them, but they are so sweet. And as always, everything is packed in these nice envelopes from the vellum paper, which you can reuse later for some other things, because the envelopes itself, they do not have any writing on it, just these strips of papers which are around the envelope, which are telling you what's inside and how many pieces you have. So as you can see, I am going through all of that a little bit quickly because I actually made it I sped up the process a little bit because otherwise it would last too long, and I know we have an attention span right now which is not very you know, great, I'd say. So it's better maybe that you look at the pieces which are in the envelope like that quickly, and then you can always see if you go to the Grabie shop, you can see in a shop a little bit more in detail what's inside the box. And as you can see, those are small cutouts. They are on the cardboard paper. I'm not actually sure if they are stickers. I haven't checked that. With this particular envelope, I didn't use it to do the project. I could have actually, now when I'm thinking about it, I could have, but I kind of didn't, completely forgot. But most of these pieces, there are actually stickers. And so you have another pet stickers. Pet stickers, so are the stickers which are actually see-through. They are made like on kind of a plastic, which is called PET. I call them quickly pet. I'm not sure if that's a that's a good name, like, or a good way to read it, but well, that's how I do it, Polish way, I think. And I love these ones. They are so cool. They are like Halloween pet stickers, but on the funny side, you know, not the scary one. It's just like a nice. Oh, okay, there are the eyes here, which are a little bit more scary, but otherwise they are on the, you know, funny side. And as you can see, the envelopes are packed with goodies. There is a lot of envelopes also. I really like Grabie boxes. They are always having a lot of stuff inside them. And for those of you who love paper ephemera, it's a great thing to purchase, I guess. I have to say that I would not use all of the products from Grabie, because some of them are just not very much up my alley. But look at that, guys, that actually I could use. It's so beautiful. But if you are a junk journaler, or you like in general paper ephemera, I don't use paper ephemera too much in my journaling, and I am more on the grungy side, but I still can choose things from Grabie boxes, which is super cool. And those frames are just absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite products in this box, but there are more surprises to come. As you can see, you can also get this nice, very like funky Halloween notebook. And then you have a clear photopolymer stamp, and you have acrylic block. And I always say there is never too many acrylic blocks, which is super cool, and it's so nice and shiny and still not used. And here is the nice stamp, which you can layer it. And with the stamp comes also the set of 6 inks and this blender, or yes, blending tool, rather, not blender, but blending tool. Plus all of the 6 inks are in the Halloweenish colors. So like, you're gonna see it at the end of the video, because I'm gonna actually using them. And as always, they are such a beautiful die cuts. In every single Grabie box I got, they were die cuts, which are very intricate, very nice. The paper is not very sturdy, but still is good enough. The quality is really nice. And here we have a little bit of papers. They are, once again, not very, very sturdy, but they are really nice. Of course, it's Halloween theme, so they are, I really like this one actually. It's so nice. So they are really in this Halloween vibe, which is normal for the Halloween box. And there is few of them, and I think they come in sets of 3, so each design has 3 papers. So now you have a set of another papers, very funny, with cats. And it's a vellum paper, or the first batch in this set, it's a vellum paper, but the second part, it's actually a normal paper. Once again, the same, I don't know, they are around 100, I think, grams, but they are nicely printed. And so really cool also if you want to include it and make a cards out of them. And here we have, those are actually the proper scrapbooking papers, 15 by 15 centimeters, so the standard size as far as I know. And there are some nice ones. I love those with the polka dots, and these ones, and really they are really nice. So as I always mention, if you like papers, if you like paper ephemera, it's a nice box to have. And here we go. This one, this box was the biggest surprise for me, I have to say. I knew there were going to be stencils in this box, but I didn't expect that. And really, really, really a big surprise. I'm gonna speak actually with Grabie and see if I can have a small giveaway of those things which are included in the box, because as you know, I will not be using everything which I got in the box, so that would be nice to share with you guys. And look at that, this is the layered stencil, which is super cool, and there is plenty of stencil. 14 if I'm not mistaken, so for $50 I think, plus the paper ephemera, plus the inks. They are not actually permanent inks as far as I could check. I think the box is worth the money. And just let's create something. I decided to go for a quick Halloween page with the products, of course, I got in the box. And I'm gonna leave you quietly with the music in the background, and you're gonna see the project, how I made it. And as always, check the description box below this video to get the link for Grabie shop. And thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting. I will be keeping you updated about the possible giveaway. And so check my community tab, my Instagram, and I think that's it. Thank you once again for subscribing and for visiting my shop also. I have a small discount going on right now, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video. Big hugs, guys. Bye bye. Bye.